Hi everyone, Sam here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce you to an exciting new AI-powered tool called Diggy the Miner. This software makes web scraping incredibly simple. It can pull leads, e-commerce data, business information, social profiles, and so much more from almost any website without coding or complicated setups. In just a moment, we're going to dive into the full breakdown of the funnel so you can see all the OTOs and upgrades available. And right after that, I'll show you a live demo of Diggy the Miner in action so you can see exactly how it works and why it's such a game changer. Alright, let's jump into the funnel details. The front-end offer is Diggy the Miner Commercial. This is the core software that lets you mine any website for leads, e-commerce data, business information, and social profiles. It includes 10,000 credits and 200 minings per month, and you can also add an order bump for unlimited use for 1 year. Then we have OTO 1, Diggy the Miner Pro. This upgrade is built for scaling, giving you more credits, more minings, 2 years of free upgrades, and a commercial license so you can offer data scraping as a service. Next is OTO 2, Diggy the Miner Reseller. This lets you sell Diggy to others and keep 100% of the profits. You start with 70 licenses and there are 2 order bumps available, 140 more reseller licenses or the seller's pack, which includes seller materials, a sales page, and other resources to help you promote the software. OTO 3 is Diggy Pro, an AI-powered social media engagement tool to help you grow your audience and connect with prospects. OTO 4 is ShopFunnels Pro, a complete platform for building and managing your e-commerce business. Finally, there's the bundle, Diggy the Miner All-Inclusive. This gives you everything: the front end, all OTOs, all bonuses, tutorials, and knowledge base. Plus, you can add the same order bumps from the front end and OTO 2, unlimited use, 1 year, 140 more reseller licenses, and the seller's pack. This makes it the most complete package available.
Welcome to Diggy Miner. If you're looking for leads, pricing information, financial data, or any other information that's on online websites, this is the most powerful scraping technology to get you that information. You've looked at scrapers before, but Diggy Miner is the only AI scraper that uses AI to figure out website structures and get you exactly the data you need without any custom recipes, codes, or any specialized hard work. So let's take a look and see how Diggy Miner works. For our first scrape, let's pick up a website that's hyper localized. So I'm on this website called citysearch.ae, which is a website that helps you find local businesses here in Dubai. And there are literally thousands of websites like these on the internet that cater to specific places like a city or a community, or to special niches, like they could be a website talking about all the lawyers, or a website that lists all the dental clinics in your area. So there are sites that hold a gold mine of information, and if you can scrape them, you can get that all without manual work. Now, a regular scraper would not be able to scrape this website because it would need to be trained on this site structure. Somebody would actually need to sit down and code it to scrape this particular site. Only then it would be able to scrape it. Well, not Diggy Miner. So you start Diggy Miner by clicking on the icon in the toolbar. This is the extension, and then you select what kind of information you are looking for. So here are some common objectives. Mine for leads. This is what we're gonna go for in this particular instance. Then mine for product information. So if you're on an e-com site, you could be mining for that. Mine for user content. So you could do that if you want to mine reviews or content like that. Mine something else, or mine the entire page. Yes, these are your options. Here, let's go for mine for leads. Then you have the option to crawl specific URLs. So if you got a list of URLs, you can just feed them in Diggy Miner, and Diggy Miner will scrape it, crawl it, and take out your data. Then you can put your data neatly organized in campaigns, and I will call this one, I will add a new campaign for this particular search, and I will call it Dubai Lawyers. So I'm looking for lawyers based out of Dubai in this particular scrape. I've created the campaign. Then you can tell Diggy exactly the information you want. For example, name of company, phone number, just separated by comma, address. So this is the information that I want from this website. Then you can select what kind of navigation system does a website have. You know, some websites have this auto scrolling technology where you scroll to the bottom and it just expands and more records show up. So if you have something like that, you can select auto scroll. And if you have something like a pagination system, in this particular instance, it's a pagination system. So you got this pager over here and you can navigate to different pages by clicking on them. So in this case, it's pagination. Then you can select how many pages you want to scrape. So let's go for 10. And of course, after continuing with 10, you can continue and go and scrape more in the next session. So that's okay. You can scrape up to 20 pages in one session. Let's go for 10. Then you got to select the next page button, which is right here. You will see this little box, locate next page button. Click on start selection, then select the next page and then just click on finish selection. Well, DIGGYMINER gets to work straight away. It's scraping the pages already and it will get all the data from all the pages and then organize it. Of course, it's going to take a little while, maybe a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's auto scrolling the pages, grabbing the data. It's on the second page now. And once it finishes with the second page, it will go to the third page. So let's just hold up and I'll come back when it finishes the scraping in a minute or so. It's been less than a minute and Diggy is already on the 9th page. Alright, the scraping process is finished and now Diggy is already organizing the data, extracting all the records from the scraping data, and this will take another minute or so. All done, and you can see that Diggy found 384 records and it took 73 seconds to do this. You can click on view data and it takes you to the backend. It's a SaaS software where you can organize all the data, use it and work with it. So here you see, here are the records. These are all the lawyers that are present on that website. You can see here, it's got the names of the companies, it's got the phone numbers, it's also got the address. So now this is usable data. You can extract it, export it to CSV, JSON or XLSX, and you can do something more than that. Of course, beyond exporting, you can even chat with the data. So if you click on Diggy AI, you are taken to the AI data analyzer, and then you can click on new chat, and we have our freshly scraped data, lawyers from City Search over here. Let's click on it and just click on start chat. And now all we need to do is ask it a question, any question we want. For example, just ask that question and you will get an answer from the AI. You don't need to go through the records. See, it even told you there is no lawyer in Dubai Marina, but there are some lawyers in the nearby areas. So that's what AI can do for you. I asked it another question. And here you go, it gave me a very nice list along with the address and the phone numbers. And you can go for any kind of depth you want. For example, you can even ask silly questions and you will get an answer. Here you go. The lawyer that starts with C is Clyde & Co. Then I asked it which lawyers have Arabic names and it gave me a list. And the next question I asked it was which lawyers seem to be led by women, and I got an answer to that too. So imagine the kind of analysis you can do if you're scraping data using Diggy and analyzing it with AI. You can ask it any question you want. It's like having a very smart research assistant right at your fingertips. It will answer your questions and tell you exactly what you need to know about that data. For our next scraping task, let's scrape this particular group which has a lot of information about products and the prices. So I want to grab, let's say, products and prices from this. So I'm gonna click on Diggy again, and this time I will look for mine for product information. I've got a campaign selected here and I will look for product names price. And this is an auto scrolling page. As you can see, there is no pager here. So I will go for auto scrolling and I can select how many seconds I want and then click on start digging. And you can see it found some records, so we can view data. And here we've got information. These are the products that it grabbed and the price. So this is how it can scrape Facebook. You can do the same thing with LinkedIn. Like I'm in a group that has LinkedIn data. And this time I want to grab maybe email addresses or phone numbers. Let's try to do that. So we're gonna click on Diggy again, and I have a campaign for LinkedIn. I want to mine for leads, name, let's make it phone number and name. And again, this is auto scrolling. Let's try 45 and click on start digging. In this particular instance, only one person had listed the phone number. And if you click on view data, you can see the name and the phone number as you desired. You can also scrape Amazon. So I'm on an Amazon page now, and this is a product which has a lot of reviews. And this time I want to scrape the Amazon reviews. So that's what I'll do here. I'll click here, and this time product information. Let's create a new campaign. Let's call it Amazon product reviews, and click on save. And we'll say name of reviewer and review, and we'll keep it auto scrollable. Let's go to the top of the page. Let's do 30 seconds and click on start digging. And it was able to grab 9 reviews. If you go into the scrape data, the names are here, and you've got the review, and you can chat with this data too. We'll just go to Diggy AI, start off a new chat, and we'll select the data scraped from Amazon. We can ask a question like, can you tell me what was the thing that people disliked most about this product? And you got an answer that is specific to the data you have. YubiKey 5C is complexity of the initial setup. That's what people disliked. So if you are trying to bring an alternative, maybe you can easily try to explore those pain points, try to solve those pain points, and be able to serve the market. So it's a great research tool. You can scrape any sort of data from anywhere, and then you can either export the data, bring it into your spreadsheet. If you got a CRM, you can bring the leads into your CRM. You can bring the leads into your calling system and start calling them or start emailing them as you desire. You can start off your outreach programs. If you harvest reviews or any other kind of data, then you can analyze that data, export it, analyze it any way you want, or grab any sort of data from any website. That is the power of Diggy. Awesome. So I hope you like this demo, and if you get Diggy now, we'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much for watching it.
If you're about to grab Diggy the Miner, wait. Because the bonus stack I'm giving you today is insane. You're not just getting the software, you're getting a complete AI-powered toolkit that makes using Diggy the Miner even more profitable and effective. Bonus 1, the Advanced AI App Collection. With all the hottest AI tools in one place, from HD image generators to lifelike voiceovers, talking avatars, stunning motion graphics, and powerful data insights, you can create and sell unlimited AI assets using the data you mine with Diggy. Bonus 2, the AI-driven 3D avatar creation platform. Over 100 avatars, 1,000 plus video templates, real-time voice sync in 80 plus languages, auto-publish to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Use the insights you gather with Diggy to create personalized, engaging videos for clients or your own campaigns, full commercial license included. Bonus 3, the AI-powered 8K movie creator. Make cinematic, streaming-ready films without filming. AI scripts, actors, voices, music, 150 plus languages, ready for Netflix or Amazon Prime. Take the leads, e-commerce data, or business information mined with Diggy and transform it into professional videos that sell products, services, or courses, keeping 100% of the profits. Bonus 4, unlimited AI hosting on NVIDIA GPU servers. Host websites, domains, and AI apps with no limits. Deploy advanced models in one click. Enjoy top speed, free SSL, daily backups, and resell for pure profit. Perfect for running your Diggy-based business online, creating automated lead generation funnels, or hosting AI apps for clients. Bonus 5, the most in-demand AI creation suite. Create ultra-sharp images, viral videos, lifelike avatars, trend-predicting fashion designs, immersive 3D models, and pro-level edits, all with full commercial rights. Combine the insights and data mined with Diggy with these AI tools to produce professional assets fast and monetize them fully. And that's not all. You'll also get my exclusive bonuses, extra AI tools for funnel and website creation, content production, graphic design, video creation, SEO ranking, social media traffic automation, chatbot, secure cloud storage, autoresponder, ebook and podcast creation, QR codes, and 20 plus AI assistants, all designed to help you turn Diggy's mined data into real business results. Plus, the vendor bonuses, exclusive vendor apps like YouTube Video Tags Finder, QR Code Generator, Facebook Leads Discovery with Reseller License, WordPress Lead Finder, SEO Harvester Jeet with Reseller License, giving you ready-to-use tools to generate leads, grow campaigns, and scale profits faster. This bonus package alone is worth more than the price of Diggy the Miner. But it's yours free when you buy through my link today. Click the link in the description now and lock in all these bonuses before they're gone. Now, let's dive into everything you're getting. Welcome to One AI Design Edition, the premium all-in-one next-gen AI creation suite that brings the most in-demand design tools together in one place. With Flux Pro, upscale any image to ultra-sharp, high-resolution perfection, giving every detail the clarity it deserves. Transform your ideas into breathtaking visuals with DAL Pro, turning text prompts into stunning, one-of-a-kind AI-generated artwork. Get creative and have fun with Reface Pro, instantly swapping faces in photos and videos for unique, engaging content. Take it further with Deepfake Pro, producing hyper-realistic, face-swapped videos in just seconds. Need a professional edge? Face Magic Pro creates lifelike AI avatars and polished headshots for business or branding. For the fashion world, Fashionable Pro predicts trends, designs outfits, and lets you try styles virtually, while View AI Pro crafts personalized fashion designs tailored to your vision. Bring your concepts to life in 3D with Sketchfab Pro, generating VR and AR-ready models for immersive experiences. Perfect your images with InPaint Pro, seamlessly replacing or editing objects with pixel-perfect precision. And with a full commercial license included, you can create and sell unlimited AI-powered designs to clients with no restrictions. From artwork to avatars, fashion to 3D models, One AI Design Edition is your complete creative powerhouse. Design, create, inspire. This is One AI Design Edition. Meet VidAvatar AI, your new secret weapon for creating ultra-realistic AI avatar videos in minutes. With a few clicks, you can generate 3D avatars that talk, move, and connect like real people in over 80 languages. Real-time voice sync and expressive facial animations bring your message to life with zero filming or editing required. And thanks to auto-publish, your videos can go live on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more instantly. It's as easy as drag and drop. Pick your avatar, choose a template, customize the voice, and look, done. Want global reach? You've got it. Change language, skin tone, and nationality in seconds. Inclusion built in. With over 100 avatars and 1,000 plus ready-made templates, creating stunning content for any niche has never been easier. Plus, the built-in AI stock library gives you access to music, images, effects, and video backgrounds, all ready to go. Whether you're building a funnel, running a social campaign, or just want to stand out, VidAvatar AI helps you boost conversions fast. And yes, it includes a full commercial license. Create and sell as many avatar videos as you want, no limits. You can even capture leads with opt-ins powered by avatars, turning views into real business. Ready to go viral? Share anywhere, reach everywhere. This is VidAvatar AI, professional video creation reimagined. Welcome to the next generation of filmmaking. This is AI Movie Maker 2.0. Instantly create stunning cinematic movies in 8K resolution, powered entirely by AI. No cameras, no actors, no editing required. Just input your idea and in minutes, watch it transform into a breathtaking film, complete with AI-generated scripts, dialogues, and lifelike storytelling. Choose from a cast of ultra-realistic AI actors with natural voiceovers and flawless lip sync, all brought to life with expressive emotion. Add depth and drama with custom AI-composed music and sound effects. Your movie, your soundtrack, ready to share. Export your film in streaming-ready formats, perfect for Netflix, Amazon Prime, or your own digital platforms. Want to reach a global audience? AI Movie Maker supports over 150 languages for instant localization. And of course, it includes a full commercial license. Create and sell unlimited AI-powered movies and keep 100% of the profits. From concept to cinematic masterpiece, AI Movie Maker 2.0 turns your vision into reality faster than ever. Welcome to the future of creativity and productivity. Welcome to One AI 2.0. This is the ultimate collection of premium, cutting-edge AI tools, all in one powerful suite. Featuring the most popular AIs on the market, One AI 2.0 empowers you to create, design, analyze, and inspire faster than ever before. With Kling AI, generate intelligent, real-time responses and gain powerful AI-driven insights at the click of a button. Need stunning visuals? Lexica AI crafts high-definition images and artistic masterpieces in seconds. Go deeper with Hugging Face. Build complex AI-driven images, videos, and even custom models effortlessly. Bring your projects to life with 11 Labs AI, generating lifelike voiceovers in multiple tones and global accents. Tap into the future of data with NVIDIA AI, creating jaw-dropping visualizations and deep analytics using the most advanced AI models. Want to truly captivate? HeyGen lets you create realistic talking avatars that connect with your audience on a whole new level. Design meets intelligence with Ideogram AI, stunning typography and visual graphics made easy. And for motion graphics, Flux produces dynamic, real-time animations perfect for social media, ads, and content creation. Plus, every tool includes a full commercial license, so you can create and sell unlimited AI-powered assets to your clients. Whether you're a creator, marketer, designer, or entrepreneur, One AI 2.0 gives you the power of an entire AI studio in your hands. Unlock your potential. Power your projects. This is One AI 2.0. Welcome to AI Engine Host, the ultimate hosting platform designed for the new era of AI-powered websites and apps. Powered by high-speed NVIDIA GPU servers, you get lifetime access to ultra-fast, scalable, and secure hosting. Want to deploy powerful AI models? With one-click installs, you can instantly launch Grok 1, LLama 3, GPT Neo X, and more. No coding required. Need speed and space? Enjoy unlimited NVMe SSD storage and bandwidth, perfect for high-traffic sites and large-scale AI tools. Security? Covered. You get free SSL certificates and daily automated backups, so your data stays protected always. With over 400 plus apps ready to go, you can launch WordPress, open source AI tools, or business apps with a single click. Everything runs from top-tier USA data centers, ensuring rock-solid performance and low latency. And with the next-gen control panel, managing your domains, websites, and AI deployments has never been easier, all from one sleek dashboard. Built-in SEO optimization helps your sites rank higher and load faster, right out of the box. And yes, it comes with a full commercial license. You can host client projects, resell services, and keep 100% of the profits. Whether you're a developer, marketer, or entrepreneur, AI Engine Host gives you the tools to build, launch, and scale without limits. Fast, powerful, unlimited. This is AI Engine Host. And that's it. Diggy the Miner is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to gather leads, analyze competitors, and grow their business online. I've been really impressed with how easy it is to use, and the range of data it can uncover is just amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. I'd also love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment down below and let me know how you would use Diggy the Miner in your business. And remember, if you want to learn more or grab Diggy the Miner with all the exclusive bonuses I mentioned, click the link in the description right now. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Diggy is a lightweight and efficient Chrome extension built for fast and reliable web data scraping. It allows you to extract data from web pages without relying on complex selectors or writing any code. The extension automatically captures structured content from the active page and offers a simple, One-click export to CSV format for easy offline access or further processing. A standout feature of Diggy is its built-in AI chat interface, which lets you to interact with their scraped data conversationally. Instead of manually sifting through spreadsheets, you can ask questions in natural language and get instant, AI-powered answers based on the extracted content. Diggy is an ideal tool for business owners, marketers, researchers, students, and professionals who need fast access to organized web data with minimal effort, combined with the intelligence of AI to make that data instantly useful. Let's start. First, let's install the Diggy extension. So, before going to installation, confirm that you have downloaded the Diggy AI installation file and go to Chrome Extension Store. Then toggle the developer mode option, and then you will get the option to load Diggy. Once you select the extracted folder, Diggy will automatically open in your browser if the installation was successful. Since you haven't previously logged into Diggy, login is required before proceeding. But before that, let's check out the Diggy extension features. Open any site you need to extract data from. Let me scrap data from Flipkart for now. Click the Diggy extension. You need to log into your account while entering your email and password. Click the login. You have successfully logged in to Diggy extension. You could get multiple options on this. Let's scrape this page. You can specify your objective here. On this, let me select the Mine Product Information option. If you need to target specific URLs, you can manually specify the links to crawl here. Next, specify the data you want to scrape from the site. You can list the required information using comma-separated values. That's it. Now let's start the digging. It will take some time, so wait until the process completed. Great! You have successfully scraped data from this site. You can see how many records collected and how much time taken for this scraping here. Let's check out the collected data while clicking the View button. Now you have reached to Diggy's site, but before that you need a login. Enter your email and password and hit the login. If you need to remember your credentials for next time, please tick the Remember Me option. We have logged into Diggy, and this is our main dashboard. Here on top you can get your product level, remaining credits, profile information, and the option to change your theme. This is your welcome cards, and on this you can get our support team or check out our other products while clicking these buttons. While clicking this button, you will get all the tutorials that we have provided for you. Also, we have providing each of the section-wise tutorial here. Then, this is the section to showcase your scraping activities in graphical representation. You can change the range using this option. It will display all the scraping activities counts on this graph on the selected range. Next section is your recent scraping activities. You can view till 30 recent scraping informations here. If you need to see all your scrapings, click this button. This is the page all your scraping activities will be shown. You can utilize the search, sort, and filtering data's options. Additionally, you can get the merging and bulk delete options from here. Let's look on the other details on the table. Here you can get the site name of the scraping has been done, and this is the title of your scrapings. You can easily edit the title using this option. Then you can get the scrape date and number of records collected on the scraping. Next is the option to view the records collected on the scraping. These are the collected datas on this scraping. Here you can see your scraped site's information, scrape date, and number of records collected. Additionally, you will get the option to export your collected data. Let's go back to main page. The next feature is one of the most exciting additions to Diggy yet. Chat with Diggy AI. With this option, you can ask questions and receive responses based on the scraped data. It's a simple yet powerful way to extract relevant information without any manual digging. Whether you're looking for specific details or just exploring the dataset, this feature delivers accurate answers instantly. Let's move on to next options, transactions. Here, all your credits transactions will display. You can purchase the credits using the Buy Credits option. It will redirect you to credits buying system, and you can purchase as much you want. Next section is Settings page. Here you can modify your account settings. You can change your profile picture, language, AI model used for scraping and chatting, theme, and save preferences. Here you can update your name, email, and password. Next section is to get the Diggy extension. If Diggy is already installed, you'll receive instructions on how to use it. If not, you'll see a download button to download and install the application. Next, you can explore other products and tools offered by Technicforce on our official website. Finally, you can access our support system, where a representative will assist you with any issues or difficulties you may be facing. And that's a wrap. You now know how to use Diggy efficiently and make the most of its features. Hello, welcome to Diggy Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see how we can install and use the Diggy extension. Go to this download section if you have not already downloaded the extension. You will get a download option here. Click on this button and extension will be downloaded. Now go to Downloads and File Explorer and you will see the downloaded zip file. Right-click on it and click Extract All option. Then click on Extract button. Extension is extracted successfully. You can also see in Downloads folder. Now, let's go to Google Chrome and type this URL Chrome / extension and click on Enter. You'll get the extension page. On the top right corner, there is a developer mode. Enable that. Then you will another option to load Unpacked. Click on that and go to the location where you have extracted the extension file. Click on Select Folder and your extension will be installed. You can see here. After installation, it will automatically redirect to the main page. Next, go to the extension list option and click on Diggy icon to pin the extension for better use. To see the extension is loaded perfectly or not, now go to any site and click on the Diggy icon. You'll get the login screen. You can enter details and log in to use the app. Now, if you're on any site and you click the extension icon, but after that no extension open, then go to this URL Chrome / extension. Here you will the error message. Click on this error and then clear all error. After that, refresh the extension. You can also refresh the extension from here. Then go to the site and refresh the site. Now click on the icon and you will see it will open. You can continue using it. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use Diggy AI efficiently. For that, first click the Diggy AI option from the sidebar. Now you'll get the interface to chat with Diggy AI. Upon starting, any previous chat history with Diggy will automatically be displayed. Here you can see multiple options. Let's look on them. On the right side, you can see your chat history, and a button to create new chat. This is the input section to chat with Diggy. Let's try to create a new chat. So click on the New Chat button. Next, you'll see a selection box where you can choose which scrape dataset you'd like to chat about. Choose one of them and press the Start Chat button. That's it. You have got a new chat with the selected dataset. Here, you have an option to change the AI models. Currently, these models are available. Choose your appropriate model and start chatting. Now you can chat with Diggy about anything related to that data, whether it's asking questions, analyzing patterns, extracting insights, or exploring specific details. The conversation is entirely driven by your curiosity and needs. Let me show you an example. I have asked Diggy to get the summary of details from this data set. Let's wait and see what Diggy will return. Yes, we got the response from Diggy with a summary of the product's details scraped from Amazon. This is the option to rename your chat title. And this is to delete your chat history. You can check out to your previous chats while clicking on them. Also, if you need to chat with your scrape data, you can directly go from the scrape data section. On the table, each of the scrapings, you can see the Diggy icon. So if you click the Diggy, you will directly redirect it to the chat page while creating a new chat with the selected data set. That's it. You have learned how to chat with Diggy AI. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Hello, welcome to Diggy Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to see how we can scrap multiple pages with just 2 to 3 clicks. So let's visit a site, let's say Flipkart.com. Here we are going. Click on the Diggy icon here, and you'll see an AI pop up. Now click on this Next Page button. And then click on Start Selection. To scrap multiple pages, just go below. And select this Next button. This Next button will be clicked every time, and all these pages' data will be collected. So just select this and click on Finish Selection. Diggy will start processing and collecting data by itself. So it will scroll one by one, collect the data, and then move to next page, and then do the same process. So every time Diggy will collect the information from all the pages, and then it will open up the pop-up. So let's wait for a few seconds so that Diggy can do the process. All right, all your data is now collected. You'll get this pop-up. Your data is collected on this site. Either you can click on No, Start Over button to start again, or you can select Yes, Use It button, and you can proceed for further filtration. So just click this Yes, Use It button, and then select the objective that you want. Let's say Mine Product Information. Then select the information that you want to extract. Let's say product name, price, and rating, and then click on Start Digging button. Now, the digging process will start, and it will give you the results in just a few seconds. All right, your data is collected. Digging completed successfully. You can click on this View Data to view your data that is extracted. All your extracted data will be stored here. You can also download if you want. You can do the same process on all the sites where you can see the pagination, and it will collect the data one by one. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hello, welcome to Diggy AI tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see how we can use Diggy AI to extract data from the internet. We can extract any kind of data from the internet with the help of Diggy. Go to any site, for example, Flipkart.com. You can see there are lots of product. Now click on the Diggy extension and you will see a login pop-up. Please enter the details to log in and then click on Login button. You will redirect to Diggy AI pop-up. From here, you can extract the data. Click on the objective and select according to your need. For now, I am selecting Mine Product Information, then click the information that you want to extract. For example, I am selecting product name, price, and rating. Make sure to keep it in commas separated for better result. Now click on the Start Digging button. That's it. Your process is started and it will take a few seconds to complete this step and you'll get all the filter data here. Alright, digging is complete and here is your details. You can see total number of records and the time taken. Click on the View Data button and you will be directed to the site where all your information is stored there. You can see all your data. Here, all your scrap data is present with the information that you have asked to extract. It also have the site mentioned and time and data scrapping. You can also click from the list to see the data. Alright, let's move to next part to extract data from any URL. You can extract data from any link using Diggy. For that, open the Diggy AI pop-up and select the objecting. Let's say Mine Product Information. Next, select this checkbox that say Crawl Specific URL. You'll get option to enter the URL to extract the data. Enter the URL here. You can enter as many URL as you want. Make sure to break the line before adding multiple URL. Now enter the information that you want to extract. Make sure to enter information separated by comma for better result. After that, click on Start Digging. Diggy AI will start processing and collecting data from the given URL. It will take few seconds to complete the process and display the result. Alright, Diggy AI has collected the data from a page. You can see the record it collected and the time taken. Click on the View Data button. It will redirect you to the page where you can see the collected record. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to manage the scrap data on Diggy. For that, navigate to Scrap Data Session on the sidebar. Then you will get the table of data about your scrapping activities. Your scraping activity will include options to search, sort, and filtering the data efficiently. Let's move deep on the table. Initially, you will get the site name that your scrapping has been done, and then the title of the scraping. This is the default title, and you can even easily change using the Edit button. Click the tick mark after making your changes. The title will be real-timely updated. Next, the date scrapped and the total number of records collected on this scrapping. Next, let's move on to the Actions tab. First, you'll get a View button to get the data collected on this scrapping. On top, you will get the source information on which site you have scrapped the data, scrapping activity date, and the total number of records collected on this scrapping. Here also you'll get all the data management properties. Additionally, you will get an export option to export your collected data in CSV format. Let's come back to main page. Next option will be the use of Diggy AI. We are allowing to go from the sidebar, or you can go directly from the table while clicking this icon for chatting with Diggy. The scraped data set will be automatically selected by default and sent directly to the chat section, so you won't need to search for or select it again. You can easily interact with your data sets. Come back to main page. Next button is Delete option. If you need to delete any scrapping activity, just go with this delete option and confirm for delete. Next, we introduce an important feature designed just for you. Merging option. If you've performed multiple scraping operations on the same site and need to combine the results, you can use the merging feature. Please note that you can only merge data sets from the same site. Merging data from different sites is not supported. To merge datasets, simply check the boxes next to the ones you want to combine. To select all datasets from a site, first click on any scraping entry from that site, then click the top checkbox. This will automatically select all datasets associated with that site. Let me show you an example of how to merge datasets. I need to merge these two datas collected from Flipkart. Currently, each of them have 40 datas. So after merging, need 80 datas on that dataset. Click the Merge button. Then enter the title for the merged dataset. Proceed with Start Merge button. That's it. You have successfully merged that two data sets. Here the total number of records will be 80. You can view and verify the merging. That's it. You have learned how to properly manage the scraping activities on Diggy AI. Thanks for watching the tutorial.